In this video, I'm going to share common mistakes that people make when cleaning or mopping wood floors and how to fix them so your floors may last long. You do not want to miss number 4. It is my favorite and I've helped one of my customers keep your floors clean in between cleanings. Stay tuned to find out. Let's do this. Number 1 is not sweeping or vacuuming the floors or not doing so the right way. As much as sweeping or vacuuming sounds like common sense to most people, to some it's actually not. So before mopping, always sweep or vacuum the floor to remove dirt and dust. Think of dirt like tiny sandpaper. If you mop over it, it can scratch your wood floors. If you're sweeping, use a broom with soft bristles to avoid scratching the floors. And if you're vacuuming, use the hard floor setting so the carpet brush won't scratch the wood as well. Vacuuming is the best option in my opinion because it sucks up all the dust and debris, and if you have a soft brush roll, even better, it's great for picking up fine dust. Also, don't forget to get into those edges and corners with a broom or the vacuum edge attachment. Dirt tends to collect there because sometimes the vacuum does not get into those places and it's easy to overlook. We don't want to end up with clean floors everywhere else except the edges. So taking the time to clear the floor thoroughly makes mopping easier and ensures you're not just pushing dirt around. That won't be good. Number 2 mistake when cleaning wood floors include using too much product. Even with the right cleaner, too much of it will leave a sticky residue that not only feels unpleasant but also attracts more dirt. Moderation is key. Follow manufacturer's instructions for the right amount of cleaner. For example, if using Ecolab floor cleaner, the ratio is 1 ounce per gallon of water for light soils and 4 ounces per gallon of water for heavy soils. Or if you'd rather skip the measuring, try these Osita floor mopping packs. They're pre-measured. You just drop 1 pack into your bucket with 1.6 gallons of water. It dissolves in under a minute and you're good to go. Doing this ensures effective cleaning without compromising the integrity of your wood. Keep it simple, follow manufacturer's guidelines, and your wood floors will thank you with lasting beauty. Mistake number 3 is using abrasive metal tools or even your nails to remove stuck-on dirt. I get it, it's easy because it's right there with you. I say this because I've been there, done that, but I've learned my lesson. It's not good at all. Here's a better option. Spray the area with wood floor cleaner or run a damp but not dripping mop over it to soften the dirt. Then use a plastic scraper like this one here or an old plastic gift card to lift the dirt off. See what I mean? The dirt is coming off, y'all. By using this cleaning tip, you won't reach scratching your floors or even damaging your nails. Give this video a thumbs up because I just saved your nails. Thank you. Appreciate that though. I do. Hey, did you know I also did a series on 15 common toilet cleaning mistakes people make when cleaning? Check it out here to learn more. Alright, so number 4 is mopping opposite the grain of the wood floors. This is what I was talking about earlier. Listen, I remember a few years ago, one of my clients asked me why her floors always ended up streaky after she cleaned them. But when we clean her house, her floors will be sparkling, no streaks at all. So I asked her how she was cleaning them, and it turned out she was mopping against the grain of the wood. And that was the source of the problem. So here's the cleaning trick that I really want you to know. When you're mopping wood floors or even laminate floors, never mop against the grain like this. It leaves streaks and honestly, it's just not gonna look good. Instead, always mop in the direction of the grain. I tell you, it will leave your floors looking smooth, streak-free, and polished. You're welcome. Moving on, number 5 wood floor cleaning mistake is mopping in circles or stepping on freshly mopped areas while mopping, leaving foot or shoe prints, and it defeats the whole purpose of cleaning the floors. Here's what you want to do instead. Start mopping from one end of the room and work your way backward toward the exit to avoid stepping on clean areas. Let me know in the comments which tip you like the most. It's going to get very interesting, so be on the lookout for part 2 of this video coming soon, and check out this video I suggest next for more valuable content, and share the video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Alright, we're doing thumbnails now. Okay, those pictures that you see before you open the video, okay? The one that makes you to click the video. Alright, so my daughter, she's helping me out.
Nana.
It's not easier.
Mom bored. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Love you guys.
Comment.